The Bitcoin ETF has been withdrawn. Is this the final icing on the cake here for the Bitcoin market? Are we headed deep down into the crypto abyss? Or is this just another classic act of FUD? What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Crypto Kirby here, your cryptocurrency expert, back with another edition of the daily live stream. What is going on, my friends? Today I'd like to discuss Bitcoin and this breaking news we have here today that the CBOE has withdrawn the proposal for the VanEck SolidX Bitcoin ETF. As a full-time trader, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to discuss my strategy, game plan, how I plan to factor this news into my trading right now, along with the technical analysis and everything else we'd like to discuss here today. So without any further ado, you guys already know the deal. If you like these daily crypto videos and nightly live streams, smack that thumbs up button, click the subscribe, tick the little bell, and let's get this crypto. Moon the likes, ladies and gentlemen. Moon them up. All right. So let's begin today, not with our technical analysis, but with this news we have here. The CBOE has apparently withdrawn their proposal for the Bitcoin ETF. Now, what this means is that they've publicly stated here that they are not going to list the shares for sale on their exchange. Does this mean that this VanEck ETF may never come to fruition for a physically backed Bitcoin ETF? That is not such the case. In my opinion, and from what I'm interpreting here from this article, it appears that that ETF instrument may in fact be created down the line, but as of right now, the CBOE has released confirmation that they are not going to be listing shares of this ETF for trade on their exchange. Now, ladies and gentlemen, sheesh. Are we finally going to see this market take a plunge, a dive down into the crypto abyss with this negative catalyst we had here in the market? RIP ETF Eric. Pour one out for the Moon Boys, ladies and gentlemen. I think we might be traveling down a slippery slope as it seems so right now. This market, now we can get to our technical analysis. This market has been nothing short of extremely bearish here over the immediate term. And right now, what I'm seeing, since we got out of our buffoonery going on here, ladies and gentlemen, where we had our flagpole down for a bear flag confirmation, followed up by a 5-minute Wiccanacci Dundada right back up to resistance. What I'm seeing here right now appears that we've double topped out. We are now flushed down into the bottom channel. And right now, with this negative catalyst, the news has not truly circulated around the space yet, in my opinion, ladies and gentlemen. But as a full-time trader and as somebody that sees this market right now is walking along a tightrope with a market right now that appears to have not that much new capital entering, and seeing that it's the same money being recycled round and round like a merry-go-round. Ladies and gentlemen, I believe right now we may be entering an extremely volatile, potentially heinous market environment right now. Shout out to my VIPs. You guys know right now I'm in aggressive short positions. I'm going to continue to take aggressive short positions on Bitcoin and Ethereum as I see the time is right. Now I know, ladies and gentlemen, the Moon Boys, oh Kirby, so you're in a short, get wrecked because Kirby's going short, we're probably going up to the moon. What I'll tell you right now, James, what I'll tell you right now, Joe, is that in my opinion, this market has been on the brink of collapse here guys, we are on, in my opinion, a complete dead cat bounce. I see nothing here in the technicals, as I've outlined for you each and every day. If you are subscribed here, just lower high, 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 over and over again, over and over again. And now we have this news here from the CBOE that our beloved Bitcoin ETF will not be being traded on the exchange. Ladies and gentlemen, I will never give you investment advice. This is not investment advice. This is not trading advice. These are only my own opinions, ideas, observations on the market. Always do your own research and your own due diligence before investing or trading, as this market is extremely high risk. But being completely transparent with you all right now, I am in short positions. I am looking to increase my short positions. And with this negative catalyst, I believe it's going to be even more difficult for Bitcoin to receive any kind of bullish sentiment or bullish rise here in the immediate term. I'm not talking long term, ladies and gentlemen, because I know these poop coin Patricks. Oh, Kirby, well, sure, maybe we could dump right now, but just think about 2025, Kirby. Think about 2025. I'm not here to think about 2025, James. I'm here to think about right now how I'm going to crush this market and get this crypto right now. Ladies and gentlemen, shout out to my VIPs. I will continue to keep my VIPs updated with every single trade I make in absolute real time. I'm not looking to play around in this market. I see right now there are those that are going to be doing the winning and those that are going to be doing the losing. The environment that we're stepping into right now, in my opinion, is indeed going to be heinous. Many a moon boy will get wrecked and take that walk down Liquidation Boulevard. I do not be intending to take that walk down Liquidation Boulevard with Average Joe and James at the water cooler. Right now, we are traveling below our tentative resistance. The volume profile on the one-day time frame, it looks like a horror film, ladies and gentlemen. They should make a movie about this one. This is horrific volume, in my opinion, ladies and gentlemen. Also, the RSI is not in oversold territory at all. Could have potential movement to go down there. We have created lower high after lower high after lower high, as outlined by the arrows there above. And right now, it's basically this catalyst that's pushing it over the edge for me, ladies and gentlemen. You know, before this even happened, Don Carbonaccio was in short positions. I've been keeping you guys updated here if you are subscribed. I've been short over 36. I'm also now looking at Ethereum as well. Let's take a look over there, actually. But if you are just tuning in now, don't forget to moon up the likes. Moon them up. Smash those thumbs. Click the subscribe button. Tick the little bell. Let's get this crypto. Satoshi needs a new pair of shoes. I'm fired up, ladies and gentlemen. Cracking Ethereum chart right here. What we see right now is we are also flush down in a tentative channel where we can find rejection at potentially the 117 to 119 mark, in my opinion. Let's use our rectangle here. This is a range I would expect to see rejection in if we are to bounce any higher. If we do not bounce any higher, ladies and gentlemen, ding, 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 chicken wings for dinner, how you doing? I expect that we could look to travel down, deep down into the crypto abyss with tentative targets between $103 to $97. Of course, once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is not investment advice. This is not trading advice. These are only my own opinions and observations on the market. Always do your own research and your own due diligence before investing or trading, as this market is extremely high risk, and these are only my own ideas. For me right now, ladies and gentlemen, Ethereum looking juicy, juicy, juicy. As I believe with this catalyst, if Bitcoin goes down, if the captain goes down with the ship, ladies and gentlemen, the rest of that ship and all the passengers on it, Ethereum and the rest of the poop coin market may be in for an extreme dive. Although all of this is purely speculation and nothing can be confirmed here, I do see that right now we are at the precipice of an extreme move. I wish I had a better word. I tried to think of one, ladies and gentlemen, but on the spot right now, my mind is baffled by what we're seeing here. The technicals look bearish. Right now, with this the negative catalyst, the fundamentals are looking bearish, and it would not surprise me in the least. It would not surprise me in the least to see this market take a dive. Although, surely, anything can happen, right? This is cryptocurrency. Anything can happen. For me right now, I'm looking for high reward, low risk trade setups. And I see right now that being short in this market has been what I've come to see as high reward, low risk. Of course, I have my stop losses in place if need be, ladies and gentlemen. I have my take profits in mind. I see the mix of news, catalysts, and fundamental and technical analysis here to suggest to me what mathematically makes sense. Of course, I will continue to keep my VIPs updated, ladies and gentlemen. As I've just stated, I am already short. I will be adding more aggressive positions to my stack as this trend develops. Do not be taking that trip to Wrecked City with Average Joe and James at the water cooler. What I'm seeing right now, ladies and gentlemen, is that not only here in the immediate term, but if we go out to the weekly and monthly candlesticks, on the Bitstamp chart, when we go out to the weekly logarithmic, ladies and gentlemen, we have potential this week to close our weekly candle below the prior two, to potentially look to retest us down to the bottom of this tentative descending triangle. A tentative retest of the 200 weekly moving average. It appears to me it's like a magnet, ladies and gentlemen. It's just asking to be retested. Come here, Bitcoin. You know you want to test me. And if we do in fact test that line, ladies and gentlemen, here's a little tidbit that many have not been looking at, but I put it on your radar yesterday. We see this is a chart of the entire crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin. So this is only the altcoin market cap. And right here, right now, we are trading below the 200 weekly moving average for the altcoin market cap. I believe that if we drop to a new yearly low here, and we are already trading below the 200 weekly moving average, this may in fact be a sign here looming in the shadows of where Bitcoin is headed to next. And if that means that Bitcoin is going to trade below the 200 weekly moving average, that would in fact be the first time in Bitcoin history that it would trade with full candle body closes below the 200 weekly moving average. If this happens, we are in uncharted territory, ladies and gentlemen. We are inside the belly of the beast, the creme de la creme. Tell your wife, tell your friend, it's time to get this crypto. Don Carbonaccio is in the game right now. Don Carbonaccio is cooking up plays like there's 2 minutes left in the championship game. Let's get this crypto. My focus is laser right now, ladies and gentlemen. My focus is right here on the pulse of this market. As a full-time trader, I am not looking to squander opportunity. I am not looking to miss potentially life-changing trades. And right now, I'm looking to continue to play this market like a fiddle, a spit-shine trombone, and a grand piano. Let's get this crypto. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to keep this short and sweet today because I'd like to get this news out there. The breaking news about the ETF withdrawal, if this was not already on your radar. If you haven't already, don't forget to moon up the likes, moon them up, smash those thumbs, click the subscribe button, tick the little bell. Let's get this crypto. Share this video with a friend if you do want to inform them of what's happened here today. I will be in VIP, ladies and gentlemen. I'm getting back to the charts right now. As we can see, this market is moving, and I am not looking to miss out on opportunity right now. I will be keeping all of my VIPs updated in absolute real time with every single trade I make. I see potentially life-changing trading opportunity right here, right now, and I'm not looking to squander it. So being said, I will keep all my VIPs updated in real time with my trades. It's time to transform yourself from average Joe into Savage Joe. Let's get this crypto. Ladies and gentlemen, what do you think is going to happen here? I see the market is already reacting, and I'm ready to get this crypto. So guys, if you could one last time, moon up the likes, moon them up, smash those thumbs, click the subscribe button, tick the little bell. Let's get this crypto. Satoshi needs a new pair of shoes. And I'll see you all in VIP. Shout out to my VIPs. So until next time, my friends, be safe, be happy, be healthy. It's your boy, Crypto Kirby. Peace and love, my friends. Curbs.